A towing hitch, interchangeable, so it can slide in. It can, you know, by sliding it in different ways, that way or that way, into if you've got the housing for that to go in, this can be height adjustable for your whatever you're towing. So it can be like that, or if it needs to be lower, it can be like that. Now we'll go into the clearances. Every caravan, trailer, pod trailer, hybrids, they're all different, so the height will be different each time. But with this, at least you've got two possibilities, which is really good. And it basically slides in a sleeve in the back of your vehicle if you have the sleeve put on. Okay. Some have got the tow ball, the hitch section all sort of welded on, and there's no sleeve for this, like something like this to go into, but you can have them put on. Okay? And then once that goes in the sleeve, that goes through, and a pin goes through to make sure that this doesn't come out, because this is what's holding it in. Now, one thing with these is I'm about to paint it. I'm giving it a bit of a sand. I'm going to paint it yellow with epoxy enamel that's anti-rust, protects against rust and corrosion. Now the reason yellow is when you got these things on and you're not towing anything, they can be a hazard for people's shins. If you hit one of these with your shins, holy shit, it hurts. Okay, certainly you should be taking it out when you're not using it for that reason. And also because probably someone might come along and go, oh yeah, I need one of those, and just take it, and you can take it out of the back of your SUV or your car, whatever you're using to tow. So anyway, that's it. A little bit more about that later. I'm going to sand it and give it a nice coating of yellow so it stands out. And it's also handy to be a bright colour when you're reversing up and someone's watching, or you've got a camera and you're trying to line up the mount. So just a few tips. Yeah, that's basically it.